What brings you to the Foam Expo?
Well, last year we have two divisions. We have a division we call Specialty Products, which basically focuses on formulated systems, and a separate division which is more of our Consumer Products division, and that's flexible foam. Last year, which was the inaugural year for this expo, we actually exhibited here, but we only had one of the divisions exhibiting, which was the Specialty Products. And the Consumer Products side of the business walked the show, and we found that this was actually a very good forum in which we can both meet both with our suppliers, so our partners in the supplier base, as well as our suppliers within our customer base. So it was a very good forum, and of course the specialty product side of the business had a very successful show. The consumer products then looked at that and said, well, maybe we need to exhibit as well. So what brings us to the show is really the forum and the success we had last year with both our customers and our suppliers, but really the forum to especially meet with our customers, showcase our products and our technology.
But on top of exhibiting here, you're obviously speaking here, or you spoke here yesterday and moderated a panel session. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, that was actually very exciting. I moderated a session which featured some very accomplished panelists, some experts within their industry, in which they were introducing some new technology that is potentially a game changer, as they say, a disruptive technology when it comes to the building blocks of our industry, of our products. So it's a new technology that's based on reclaimed CO2 or waste stream CO2 to build polyurethanes. So instead of emitting carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, they're actually extracting it, or capturing it, I should say, and then using that carbon base to make raw materials for the urethanes.
What would you say the trends are going to be in the future in this industry?
Oh, the trends are going to continue in the sense of new technology for improving performance, as well as improving, let's say, the environmental and social responsibility of our products. So we feel that the trend of regulations is going to continue, but at the same time, the industry is going to continue to innovate, as we have since the inception of urethanes in the late 30s.
And what do you think the main challenges are at the industry at the moment?
Challenges, of course I see more opportunities than challenges, but really the challenges are to be able to move to market quicker and at a pace that keeps up with the demand from consumers, and to be able to keep up in terms of supply. So really short-term challenge is going to be able to supply the demand in terms of raw materials. Long-term, it's going to be to continue to innovate so we can provide materials that are more efficient and more effective.
Thank you. And what's your experience of the show this year?
So far, very good. I'd say based on our expectations from last year, the show is meeting those expectations. So we have high hopes, and so far after the first day, those seem to be met.